All right, I'm gonna prep the skin. I'm gonna use the prepping primer. So I like using the gripping primer at the center of the face, under the eyes, around the mouth, and the nose area. These are the areas that makeup tend to wear off quickly for me. So yeah, I like focusing the gripping primer at these areas. This is sitting close to me. Okay, I'm going to use the stick foundation. This is from Essence. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty good match. Okay, just paint it on. Don't. That's a bit too much, but hey, I can make it work. Okay, this is in shade 230, in case I forgot to mention. Yeah, the center of a smaller fluffy brush. I'm gonna blend it down to my neck area. I got this from Essence. This is Baby Got Bronze and this is Baby Got Blush. Let's use the bronze first. I'm gonna use a blush to pick it up and place this at a high point. It's not a contour, it's like a bronzer. So let's use it at the forehead as well. I'm going to use my hand with this one. Pick up the smudge. It's super intense. Then I place it here. I like to do this before concealer, just so I can fix any of my mistake. Take back the baby girl bronze and go at the edges of the blush, to kind of mute it out to avoid any harsh lines. I do this before concealer just so I can fix any harshness with a concealer. Sephora Best Skin Everglow Concealer. This is in shade number 40. I'm going to place it here at the inner corner. Taking a sponge to go all over the face, just to get rid of any brush strokes. Well, Messier translucent setting powder. I'm going to use a brush to take a little and use that to set all over the face. I'm not going to use this under the eyes, okay? I use the Huda Beauty powder for the under eye. I use the NW40 OG Mark powder, to kind of dust away the powder. Using powder to dust away powder. I need something with reddish undertone, so I'm going to use the Pro Filter Press Powder. This is in shade 400. Using the same brush and dab a little the smudge at the forehead like that, gently. All right, let's quickly do the eyebrows and move on to the next. I'm using Essence eyeliner to fix some hair strokes at the end of my brows. Let's quickly do the eyeshadow and call it a day. Okay, I'm going to be using this Natasha Denona Matcha Plus palette. Okay, let's take this shade first. Find this at the crease area. Take this shade, but I'm going to blend this at the high point to dim the yellowish shade I put there, which is quite unnecessary. I'm going to take this shade, I'm going to blend this at the outer corner. It has some sort of a sheen to it, but let's just roll with it. Let's take this shade, blend that back and forth at the outer corner. Alright, let's take this, place it here at the outer corner. My finger, I'm taking this shade. Take this shade like blue. I'm going to place that at the outer corner. Just have to open your eyes, look straight. Okay, helps the hood not to disappear. Because of my hooded eye, I like to look straight to the mirror, then do the placement of the shadow. In case you have hooded eyes, use this method of opening your eyes and blend above the hood. I'll still be back with the lid. Okay. Little darker shade here at the inner crease line. Okay, I've already figured out how to make this work. So let's place the darker shade back and forth at the inner crease line. Now take the matte shade and go back and forth at the edges. Then use my pinky finger to take this, place it at the inner part to the center. Take back this shade. I'm going to take this shade and blend out the wind. I don't like the wind, so I blend it away. Okay, so let's smooth it out with the neutral shade. It's looking a little patchy, but slow and steady win the race, okay? So let's just go slow and steady back and forth, like that. Let's use this shade. Do a little more shimmer on the lid. Let's see. So let's use this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use this two blush, especially this one, and a little of this, and paint it up here. All right, let's quickly do the lips and call it a day. My lips is already moist, and I've got gloss on, so let's just deepen the borderline a little. Okay, let's do this one. Use the Sephora one at the center. Let's use Gloss Balm Heat by Fenty. Just a little at the center and at the top. I'm going to use the Megawatt highlighter with my finger. Take a little bit and I'll dab it here and a little here. Just like that. And voila, this is pretty much it. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. See you after. Bye.